Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing the Peplink HD1 Dome Pro router. It's a powerhouse for outdoor networking. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more unboxing videos. Now get ready to dive deep into what makes this router a must-have for rugged environments. As we unbox the HD1 Dome Pro, let's talk about its significance in outdoor networking. This device is specifically designed for challenging outdoor conditions, where traditional routers often fail. And with its advanced 5G capabilities, it redefines outdoor connectivity. And here it is, the HD1 Dome Pro neatly packed on top, built tough and designed for outdoor installations on vehicles and in industrial settings. Its 5G technology ensures ultra-fast speeds and lower latency, even in the harshest conditions. Now let's dive into the layers beneath to see all the accessories that come with the device. In the second layer, you'll see a number of essential items. There's a quick start guide to help with setup, mounting tools for installation, and an Ethernet splitter that is key for connecting multiple devices. We also have 2 waterproof Ethernet connectors, ensuring weatherproof and reliable connections in outdoor settings. Plus, there's a sturdy mounting bracket. And in the third layer, we've got even more tools necessary for mounting. Taking a closer look, the HD1 Dome Pro is compact and rugged. Despite its low-profile design, it doesn't compromise on durability. It has an IP67 rating, ensuring it's both dust-tight and capable of withstanding water immersion. On the specs front, the Dome Pro stands out with its LTE Pro and 5G capabilities, offering download speeds up to 1.5 Gbps and upload speeds up to 150 Mbps, depending on the cellular network. It also has built-in GPS and features automatic failover for uninterrupted connectivity, along with SpeedFusion technology for combining multiple cellular connections. The Dome Pro boasts advanced features like a built-in Wi-Fi access point and an advanced QoS system. Additionally, it's compatible with the Peplink SIM injector, allowing for efficient management of multiple SIM cards, enhancing the router's cellular capabilities. In terms of use cases, the HD1 Dome Pro is versatile in its applications. For public transportation, it offers reliable Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. This is essential for buses or trains. In the maritime sector, its robust build and 5G capability ensure continuous connectivity, crucial for navigation and communication at sea. In logistics and shipping, the Dome Pro's ability to provide stable, high-speed internet is key for tracking and fleet management. And for outdoor events where traditional internet setups are lacking, this router delivers consistent performance. With its durable design and advanced networking capabilities, the HD1 Dome Pro is equipped to handle diverse and demanding environments, making it a go-to choice in sectors where reliable outdoor connectivity is paramount. And that's the Peplink HD1 Dome Pro, a robust, intelligent, and fast 5G router that's ready to transform your outdoor networking needs. What are your thoughts? Let us know below, and remember, for more tech content, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our upcoming deep dive into the Peplink SIM injector.